How to use bonus in 1xbet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use bonus in 1xbet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to go ahead and then basically use bonus on 1xbet, first of all just open the 1xbet app and then make sure that you sign into your account. So let me also go ahead and then do that. And once you have done that, if you have a certain promo code that you would like to apply or a certain point or bonus, what you can do is first you can come to the menu tab from the bottom right, and then from here you can just go to this option right here known as promo codes, which is promo points. So you can tap on it, and if you have any sort of promo points you can convert them and then use them while betting it. So you can just go ahead and select that if you'd like. Now you can also use the bonus games for which you can apply your bonus, or we can come back here, and when you come back in the popular section you can go to a certain bet, and then if you have a certain promo code or bonus, so let me go ahead and select that. Here you can see bet, or you can use a promo code if you have a certain promo code or bonus code, or you can go to the baseline odds over here. Depending on what you want, you can tap the get option if you'd like to get them. This way you should be able to actually go ahead and then use bonus in 1xbet. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.